Hello everyone, this is Arlie Mendez, and today we're going to unbox the stuff that I got from Amazon last month, but I haven't got the chance to open it yet. This is the tripod for my blogging, and of course I'm excited about it now because it's really important when you do blogging, especially when you're outside the house. You have to just hold your iPhone, which I have here, but sometimes it's really hard to do it without anything that's holding it. So we'll see what it is inside the box. Um, Help me unbox it. Let's see what we have. It's really nice that sometimes, when you order from Amazon, it's a lot easier to find stuff and just they ship it to you direct, and sometimes it takes longer too because if it's not from here in our place or it's from another country, then you may have to wait up to 7 days. But if we have stock here in Canada, it doesn't take long. So this is what we have, and there's the box here, and you see how big the box is, and look what's inside. That's funny, but it's good because at least to protect the product. So this is what we have here. We're going to open it and see what is inside. So we'll just try to do it like this, and if we can figure how to use it, we will show it right away, or I will show it to you right away. There you go. This is just a small item, so you can put it in your purse. It's perfect. If you have a small purse, you just put it like this, and then you're off to go. You can go anywhere you want with your blogging, and you don't have much difficulty in holding your phone. This is it. It's small and it's very light, and see how it goes. This is really nice. So this is my unboxing for today, and we will see how it works, and I will show you, or I'll take a picture of how we can use it for my phone, and of course this tripod I have that I can use for anywhere I go, and of course it will take a better grip of my phone instead of just using my phone like without this. So that's it for today. I just want to share with you what I'm going to have for my blogging to make it a lot easier for myself. So we have this Bluetooth here. So whenever you have to take picture, you just have, or video, you just have to press this small button here, and we can lift this up so that we can charge this. I'm gonna show this to you. So you just have to remove it like this. There you go. So now it's done. And then what you do, you just have to attach, or to attach this here so that you can charge it. We have the, by the way, we also have this along with the items that we got. So there, you just have to, and then attach this to your laptop or desktop or anywhere that you can charge it, so it's functional. So this is really just short, and it's very light. You can always take this with you wherever you go, and then when it's fully charged, you can just remove it and then put this back in here so that it's ready for using. This is very easy. So, and what I like with this item is this is very light, and it doesn't take much space in your purse. Whenever you have to travel, you can just slip it in your purse, and then of course you're off to go. There. So So now that we have removed this from the box, we're going to see how we can operate this small stick we have here. And actually, I have the user manual too, because it's always good to see what's going on with the product. And before using it, it's advisable to read the manual or even just look at the picture. So I look at the picture quickly, and we're going to see if we can do it right away with just by looking at the picture, not reading the manual itself. Anyway, so this is what I have, the stick for my iPhone, and we're going to experiment or do it manually now. So we have this small stuff here. So we're just going to remove that, and we'll just do like this. So there you go. And this is just for holding your stick. So now we have this one. So we're going to lift it like this. We are going to lift that so we can open it like if you are not doing it like this for your phone, because we're going to put the phone here, or we can let it stand too. So we're going to just open here. You see how nice it is, because now we can just open this side so we can let it stand when we're outside, or we're on we have something to put this like on the table or anywhere that you're trying to get a picture of. And so now it's like this one. It's a little bit crooked here, so we're going to make it also a bit taller. So you just pull this like you see here. So now we're going to pull, and look what's happening here. This is really nice, because now you can let it stand a bit taller. So the more you pull that, the more it will be taller, right? So like now you have this product. You see this, and so we're going to, we can also actually rotate this. Like if you want your phone sideways or standing up, you just kind of rotate this side here, or this top. So we're going to put the phone. Let's see if we can do this properly. So you just pull this a bit. It's right here. So you pull this and then put the phone in the middle. So we're I think it's easier to just do it like this. And let's put the phone so we can see the result. And it's going to be like this one here. There you go. So we have a really nice stuff in here, because when you're outside, this is what you can just do, right? So you just have to hold this, and then if you want this a bit tilted towards you like that, you can also use it like this one. So this is really perfect. And then if you also want just a straight one, and then you want to put it on the table, it's going to be just like this. So there you go. So you have a really nice stuff there. And then you can also rotate it like this. So it's just perfect. And as you can see at the back, it's just showing like that. So, and I recommend this for bloggers, because it's a lot easier to have a tool like a stick, because when you're outside, as I mentioned, you can just use this as a stick, and then you can even just pull it up like so. Now you have something for blogging. And I'm glad I ordered this, because just looking at it now, it's really cool tool. And I'll see you again, guys. If you like my channel, you can subscribe, hit the notification bell, and so that you're gonna be updated with my new videos. By the way, this is Arlene Mendez, and have a great day. I just have a stick that I know I would love, because it's perfect right now. Bye for now.